Today we're going to talk about cracks. More so, why do cracks occur in my foundation? Well, the reason being is that there's somewhere along the line within your foundation, there's a failure. And the cracks react as a hinge to it. So when the crack or the concrete is no longer to sustain its levelness, it's going to go ahead and crack and fold and bend over. And that's where you typically see your sloping or your low points within your foundation. It's typically not in your entire house, and if you see one crack, more than likely there's going to be another crack on the other side of the house to show where exactly that relief line is. So if you see one of those, or if you feel like your house has some sort of slope happening within the floors, feel free to give us a call and we'd be glad to help you out. And that is your foundation repair tip of the day.